Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn step by step how to convert a Word document into a PDF file. This is a very useful feature if you want to share your documents in a secure, professional, and easy-to-read format. So, stay tuned till the end, and let's get started. Before we begin, in our previous video, we talked about how to convert a PDF file into a Word document and also how to edit PDF files. If you missed that video, the link is in the description below, don't forget to check it out. Here, we have a Word document named PDF to Word. Now, we are going to convert it into a PDF file. First, let's open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Word to PDF Converter. Now press Enter. Now, we can see several websites available. Click on Canva because it offers a free and easy-to-use Word to PDF conversion tool. Now, click on the option that says Upload your file. Now, choose the location where your file is saved. Since our file is on the desktop, we will click on Desktop. Here, we can see different Word files. Now, scroll down and select the file named PDF to Word, which we mentioned at the beginning. Now, click on Open to upload the selected file. The file is now being uploaded. Please wait for the process to complete. The file has been successfully uploaded. Now, we just need to wait for a few moments while the system processes it, completes the conversion, and prepares it for downloading. Once the conversion is finished, the file will be ready for you to save to your device. Your file has successfully been converted to PDF. The next step is to click on the Download button to save the PDF to your computer. Now, click on the Download option once more, located below, to begin downloading your file. The download has now started, and your PDF file will be saved shortly. The download is complete, and your PDF file is now saved on your computer. Now, let's go to the Downloads folder on our PC and check whether the PDF file is there. Here is our PDF file, fully ready to use. You can send it to others or save it for future use. So, that's everything you need to know about converting Word to PDF. That wraps up today's video.